Alright, so today guys, I'm going to be doing my game day makeup. So we're going to start out with this Professionals primer. I just dot this over my face and smear it out for an even base. I just want to say a disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist. Next we're going in with this Clinique foundation. It's the redness solution because my face gets very red. I have rosacea on my cheeks, so this just helps calm it. And I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend this. And I just like to dot that all over my face, and then I blend it in with the beauty blender. And then this is a light coverage foundation. I don't like a super thick coverage because I think it looks really cakey on me. Next, I will be going in with Soap & Glory's One Heck of a Blot. And I just put this under my eyes, on my forehead, on my nose, to try and prevent shininess and anywhere I'm not gonna contour. Next, I use my Hoola bronzer from Benefit, which I actually really like this. I think it's a really nice shade, like a very cool toned, I don't know. Next, I'm just gonna take it under my jawline to contour that a bit, and yeah. Then I'm going to go in with my Becca Jaclyn Hill palette. This one was like a limited edition palette. I'm going in with the darker blush, which is called Amaretto. And then I also mix it with Rosé Spritz, which is a luminous blush. I like the combination. And I don't put a lot of blush on because my face is naturally very red. Next, I'm going in with the Tartist. And I really like this mainly because of the scent. I'm not gonna lie, it's because of the scent. It smells like vanilla, it just smells like yumminess. I use a fan brush for that. And then I also go in with my What's Up from Benefit highlighter. I like this especially under my brow because I think it really defines them. I'm not a huge fan of it on my cheeks and nose. I think it gives a nice highlight, but it doesn't blend very well into my skin, I found. Next, I'm using my Anastasia brow pencil. I like the pencil more than the Wiz, so I've been using the brow pencil for a couple years. And I'm just gonna lightly add some strokes to my eyebrows. I don't really do much with my eyebrows because they're already pretty present on my face, I guess. And then I also use the clear gel, which I also took from Maddie. Next, I'm going into the Naked 2 Basics eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking Stark, which is a light color, and I'm putting that all over my lid just as a base. I'm gonna go in with shade Cover and just put that on the very center of my lids, I guess all over, I don't really know. I'm not a makeup person. Then I realized that this was gonna be really dark, so in between shots, I used my fingers to blend this in. Next, I'm showing you the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. I actually really love this liner. It's super easy to use, but I happened to mess up today, so I didn't like it and I rubbed it off. Now I'm curling my eyelashes because my eyelashes like to stand straight out. And I'm realizing that I'm holding the mascara upside down so you can't read it, so I flip it. And I use the Clinique Chubby Lash. I don't know, I just kind of put it on my eyelashes. Yeah, there it is. Looks great. I'm gonna do the other eye now. Makes sense. And we're just gonna do the exact same thing, just put some Chubby Lash on my eyelashes and we're good to go. Now I'm just topping it off with some baby Aquaphor because I love Aquaphor and I just can't survive without having lip balm on at any time, so yeah. And we're all done with the face. We are moving on to hair. And I'm using the Silk Blowout by OGX as like a heat protectant. And then I'm gonna use my Remington wet to dry straightener, which you're supposed to be able to use on wet hair. And I just use a wet brush to brush out my hair. I originally got this straightener like 4 or 5 years ago just because I can use it on wet hair. And when I went to swim practice, my hair looked really bad, so I would just like throw it in my swim bag. And while it was wet, I would straighten it. Alright guys, so now that my hair and makeup is done, I am going to go and find an outfit to wear. Alright guys, so I'm wearing this today. It's just a cute little quarter zip with some Lulu leggings. I'm not really sure which ones these are, but they have the pockets, so I can like put my phone in there. And it's a blackout today, and I'm not really a fan because I don't really own any black Ohio State stuff. Just like red I always wear. So I guess this is what we're going to go with, and I'll probably throw on my black North Face coat because it's pretty cold out right now. So yeah, this is what I am wearing at the game today.